Exclusive nail polish set. 6 by 8 ml wine red color gel nail kit. Healthy. 9 toxin free ingredient makes it safe and has low odor. Long lasting, high gloss beauty. Lasting for at least 2 to 3 weeks. End of redoing from scratch. No more imperfect surface, dents or nails cut. No grinding. No filing. No drying time after application of nail varnish. Curing with UV gel.Mirror finish. Reminder. Cure under LED, UV light for 90 to 120 secs. Base and top coat required. If gel feels thick or tacky, place in hot water for 1 to 2 minutes, remove from water and shake well. Well-selected gel nail polish set for our customers to experience professional soak-off nail art and to show your personality and mood. Top reviews from the United States. Pretty selection of reds. Buy it. I don't usually like glitter, but the red included is very pretty. The plain red colors are a wide range of reds that will be suitable for all skin tones and seasons. There is one red that looks orange which is not that cute but will get used for nail art.